This is a 3D print of corrosion that I'd scanned with the HydroFORM. A few weeks ago, I did a couple videos on HydroFORM, and using that plate, what I did was I took the HydroFORM data and then I convert it to a surface, which then I subtract from a solid, dump that down to an STL file, and I'm able to print it. Printing a solid from phased array data is not exactly new. The first time I saw it was probably about 10 years ago. Folks at Ontario Power Generation, OPG, had done a TFM FMC on feeder tubes for the nuclear industry, and actually were able to recreate a model of showing the exact feeder tube and actually the weld profile. But now that normal people like us can afford to have 3D printers, we can do this cool stuff too. Here's what the 3D print looks like up close. I think I used a 0.2 millimeter layer height, and you can really see there's lots of good information in here. I think this is not just a really cool experiment, but it has value for a client. Imagine doing a really good HydroFORM scan and then printing it and going and plopping it down on the boardroom table and showing everybody what you found.